Welcome to our exploration of drones and environmental monitoring. Drones have revolutionized the way we study the environment. They can access hard-to-reach areas quickly and efficiently. Drones are equipped with various sensors for data collection. One key application is monitoring wildlife population. Drones help in tracking changes in vegetation over time. They are also used to assess the health of ecosystems. Drones can gather data in real time, improving reaction time. They play a vital role in disaster response efforts. Drones help monitor air and water quality from above. They support research and climate change effects on habitats. Regulations for drone use in environmental monitoring are evolving. Public acceptance of drones is crucial for their implementation. Education about drone technology is essential for future generations. Collaboration between scientists and drone operators is vital. Future advancements in drone tech will enhance their capability. Ethics of drone use must be considered in all applications. Drones could help combat poaching and protect endangered species. In conclusion, drones are a powerful tool for environmental monitoring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more content.